tranquil, fresh, pristine, freedom, sanctuary. Things we tend to appreciate when we go out to see the world. Mother Earth is an incredibly precious gift that we all share, whether here or there. Beautiful nature can be found anywhere. In my last video I presented you Brunei, a hidden gem of Southeast Asia. This time I introduce you to an unusual side of my home country of Switzerland. I'm sure when you hear about Switzerland, you're gonna think about all these things, places that yearly attract plenty of tourists, for a good reason of course. But what if I introduce you to some sanctuaries of quiescence, not any less Swiss than the mainstream destinations? This here is the state of Graubünden, where you may enjoy true alpine beauty. Let's hop right in with Flims, a place that is very well known for skiing, but it is somehow very underrated off winter season. Just a few minutes from the town lies the Cauma Lake, an incredibly beautiful spot which recently has become a popular subject on Instagram. It is usually heavily visited by locals during July and August, but in any other month, this place resembles a sanctuary of quiescence, making it to a perfect hideout if you're seeking refuge from daily stress. With its various turquoise shades and clear water, the Cauma Lake easily ranks among Switzerland's most beautiful lakes. After enjoying a great time at the Cauma Lake, you should make your way to Caum, a place that offers you a remarkable view down on the Rhine Canyon, one of Switzerland's most unique landscapes. By walk, Caum will take quite a bit of your time, roughly about 1 hour, but it's definitely worth the effort. Not only to reach the view, but also because there's a beautiful trail that takes you through a forest as you would imagine it from a fairy tale. Latest by then, you will have escaped the crowds and you may enjoy true tranquility. It's still quite of a walk, roughly about 20 minutes, but believe me, this is really worth it. We almost have arrived. When you pass these houses, then you will know that the lookout is only a few hundred meters away from you. And finally here we are, the platform Il Spier in Caum, which presents you a remarkable view down on the Rhine Canyon. What you actually see here is the result of a major natural catastrophe about 10,000 years ago, when roughly 10 billion cubic meters of rock broke off. Over time, the Rhine recreated a path through the debris, which resulted in this unique geological formation. There are several great lookouts at the other side, and even down in the canyon you can go for water rafting. Many ways lead you back to Flims, which again will take you about 1 hour, but if you're tired of walking, then you should go to the nearby restaurant and book a ride on the horse carriage. It should cost you about 10 Swiss francs if you're sharing it with other people. In my opinion, a really great choice and definitely a beautiful experience. What you may have appreciated about the Cauma Lake is what you can find here with even fewer visitors. This is the Lej da Cresta, the hidden sanctuary of Flims. Immerse yourself into a calm environment and embrace the beauty of nature by coming here during the early morning. The lake charms with its beautiful turquoise color and reflections, marking a unique piece of nature. If you like this video so far, then please hit the subscribe button and become part of Team Demographic. And also please take a look at my Instagram account. There are a couple of photos I'm posting about the places here. Flims is only one beautiful spot in Switzerland's largest state of the Kanton of Graubünden, and thus I would like to introduce you to a beautiful road trip to Silvaplana, on which you're gonna pass a beautiful canyon, painted houses, lakes and creeks. Having almost reached the Julierpass, you'll find yourself in a lonely alpine landscape where nothing grows except grass and a few bushes. Down in the Engadin valley you will pass three beautiful lakes, the Lej da Sils, Silvaplana and Sankt Moritz. Less attention is usually paid to the Lake of Sils, in my eyes a really underrated place. Let me share with you some nice shots to prove my point. Look at these waters, so fresh, crystal clear and royal blue. Having received this tip from a local, you may get a really great view by climbing the rock. It's quite a short way through a tiny forest up to the lookout, however, you may have to be careful as there are no safety barriers that prevent you from falling. Maybe that's exactly why I like this place so much, as it remains untouched up to this day. Further up is the Lake of Silvaplana, that is well known for its turquoise color and excellent windsurfing conditions. Thus, for people who love water sports, visiting this place is a must. Even if you don't want to try windsurfing, still it's quite interesting to come here to watch the people. And here this video ends. I hope you have enjoyed watching this episode about off-mainstream destinations in eastern Switzerland. We'll see us very soon in the next upcoming episode.